In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Notion on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or 11, this process is the same. To do this, open any browser. For my case, I'm on Google Chrome browser, and using search, just search for Notion. And if you run your search, now you'll be taken to this Notion official website. Just click on it. Now, to download Notion, you need to go to solutions here, and this is the official Notion website. Now, to download Notion program on your Windows computer, scroll down up to the end, and under downloads, we have various resources here. We have programs for iOS and Android, as well as Macs and Windows. Because I'm using a Windows computer, I just tap on this, and now here, this will identify the system I'm on. You can also choose to download one depending on your system. Because I'm on Microsoft, you can see it has identified that I'm on a Microsoft system, and my Windows system is 64 bits. This is the right version to be downloaded. Just click on download, and this will download Notion file on your computer straight away. As you can see, the download process is in progress here, and within some seconds the download should be done. As you can see, it is done. Once it's done, if you click on this, you're told it is done, and now you can just click on the folder containing this installer file. Click on it to begin installation. As you can see, this is the Notion setup that we need to run to install. So to install this, just right click on it and then choose run as administrator. You can also just double click on the program to begin installation. Here, tap on yes, and this will begin installation process. As you can see, because it is just a light program, it won't take much. The installation is on. Now at this stage, be patient as the installation is in progress. Don't close this window. Once this is done, now the program will be installed on your computer, and you should see a shortcut for your Notion program straight on your Windows computer. From here, now you can double click on it or right click on it and choose open to launch Notion program. Now from here, once you have opened it, you can sign in or create your account to start using Notion. So that's how you can install Notion program on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.